friends, I am back with more anti-aging secrets, and I'm going to be talking about this specific powder that contains minerals, and it helps to maintain the skin tighter and also helps with pigmentation. And so stay tuned. I'll see you in a few minutes and you will see good results when you use it. Hi my friends, Clarissa here. I am back with another video, and this video is going to be about this powder from the earth, natural, that it's going to make your skin tighter and treat pigmentation, and also very useful for people that suffer from acne and they had those marks, acne marks, and it will help you to treat that as well. But first, my hug of gratitude. Thank you so much for all your beautiful comments and your love. And I want to send my love to Bernadette. Thank you, Bernadette. You are such a kind soul. And Glory and Kim, also Jana, who else? Lizzie, Mary Holt, Deborah. Okay, I don't remember all the names, but I'll send you all my love. And welcome new subscribers. Don't forget to share this video, thumbs up, and share this video, my friends. So this powder, it's called ALUM Powder. And it is purified alum powder by the company MB Herbals, and it's sold in Amazon's. And I have my page, Amazon page, where I buy all the stuff, so I will put the link so you can go and purchase it. Okay, so this is natural, no preservatives, and it is a mild antiseptic and maintains the skin firmer. It has been used for many years to give treatment to women to make the skin tighter. And this powder contains a potassium aluminum sulfate. It's a natural source of potassium and contains other minerals as well. Minerals maintain the skin firmer. Zinc, copper, potassium, calcium. Calcium prevents the skin from thinning. So minerals are very essential when you want to maintain your skin rejuvenated. And also purifies water, so it has so many benefits. What else? Yeah, it says treats canker sores, and also yeah, for people who suffer from acne, you could dissolve the powder in aloe vera juice or rose water and just spray it after you wash your face, after you clean your face. You could use it as a mask as well. So this is a natural deodorant. Alum is a natural deodorant, and so I have the liquid one crystal essence, which is made with the alum powder. I use this as a deodorant. So the good news is every time you use this as a deodorant, it's helping to maintain this area firm, because this area right here goes so saggy very fast. And so I am going to explain you how to use it. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the consistency of the powder. I have been doing this, let's see, I started using this 2000 13. All these years I have been using. I use it as a mask and I use it as a toner for extra effect. So it is a white powder. I don't know if you could see it. So you could mix it 1 teaspoon. This is 1 teaspoon right here. You could mix it 1 teaspoon with rose water or aloe vera juice until you make a paste, and wash your face, clean your face, exfoliate, and then apply a warm towel, a very warm towel, to open up those pores, and then apply the mask. So what you're going to do is make into a paste, either using rose water or aloe vera juice, and so once it's mixed into a paste, then excuse me, use about 10 to 15 drops of emo oil or abyssinian oil to help all the nutrients from the alum powder to penetrate into the skin. So leave it for half an hour or 45 minutes and then wash it. And you could use also as a toner after you wash it. So do the mask and then take 1 teaspoon of the alum powder into 8 ounces of aloe vera juice or rose water, and then like about 8 drops to 10 drops of emo oil or abyssinian oil, and then shake it really good and spray all over your face, your décolleté area, and start doing it now. I don't know why I didn't make the, yes, I did make a video a long time ago, a few years ago. I did make a video about alum, how efficient it is to treat a sagging skin, to maintain the firmness of the skin. And so also this alum powder will help for the hair, like making hair masks for the hair to restore the hair. Due to the minerals, the hair becomes really healthy, and also prevents losing hair if you apply the toner, the liquid, and your scalp. So it has many uses. If you want to add a half of a teaspoon of raw honey into the mask, you could do that, because also the honey, you know that it's very hydrating, not just externally, but when you take it internally. And it has so many vitamins, enzymes, and minerals. It's a natural antibiotic, it's a natural laxative. So make sure everything you buy is organic. And this is a purified alum. So natural potassium, you see, it's natural potassium purified through traditional shutdown purification process. The company again is MB Naturals or MB Herbals, and I will put the link so you could go and buy it. The link of my Amazon page. I have a few items there that I purchased, so that way you could go and get it and start using it. Okay, my friends, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care. Ciao.